Hello student, welcome all of you on my class. Hope you are all are well. Today I will discuss about the complete solution of computer knowledge part E level 1 objective type questions that already asked questions in 28 February 2021. Okay, so hope this video will be useful for your competition exam which is recently in 2 July by Department of Atomic Energy for the post of Junior Purchase Assistant and Junior Storekeeper. Okay, this video PDF is available in the folder application of Applied Science Solution app. You will visit to the course of Department of Atomic Energy and there will be this course PDF will be available. Okay, now talk to further about the whole discussion of the solutions. We have typed and given explanatory videos about this. Firstly, the 40 question was asked in 2021. Okay, let's start the videos. Firstly, I want to say take a rest 1 minute and attention on your class. Take water by which we may attention full video and there will be no disturbance so during their class. Okay, let's start. The first question 161 which asks which type of file is created by word processing program. Word processing program, which type of file is called? The documentary file. In the among the optionals, database file, storage file, worksheet file and documentary file, the answer will be the document file. Okay, for the explanation you can reach out this explanation, especially the use of use for by computer. A document file is a text or binary format file format for storing document or storage media. Currently, there existence a multitude compatible document file for format. Okay, hope you have understand the what is asking the questions. 161 which type of file is created by word processing program? That is called document file. Okay, next questions will ask here also given in the Hindi example. You may reach out this how are answers. Okay, currently I am explaining in English. Okay, next is the a camera is a peripheral device used to capture still image in a digital format that can easily transmit to computer manipulated using the graphics software. What will be the answer in the blank options? The answer will be the digital camera. A digital camera peripheral device then the capture the still image in digital format that can be transferred computer and manipulating using graphics software. Okay, there is another option. It is a camera that capture photography in a digital memory. Okay, that can be transferred and manipulating using graphics. Next question, to question completed. What is the stand for OCR? OCR is a very common. What is the answer will be? The answer is there are four given option. The optical character recognition is the correct answer. Okay, 163 options. Optical character recognition is the process that convert an image of text into a machine readable text format. For example, if you scan a receipt, your computer saves the scan in the image format. You cannot use the text editor to edit, search or count the word or image format. So hope this you understand because you have many times uses your scanner of your mobile to scan any document that is through the optical characters recognition. Okay, next question is 164. 164 question while process the check to ensure the check the component of computer are operating and connected properly. We have written the two types. The main type the question is scanned and similarly typed here. If you have any questions, any confusion, you may read the typed question. Which process to check the ensure the component of computer operating and connected properly? Firstly, we check through the booting. Okay, booting. When you open any computer, then you first work of computer is booting process. Okay, boot up is something the startup. This is explanation. Boot up or something startup. Booting is a process powering on a computer and getting into a operating system. Okay, during the booting process, the computer goes through the multiple stage to ensure the computer hardware connected correctly. necessary software can be loaded. Hope you have understand what is the booting. Booting is the first step when you open computer in a computer. When open, then it loaded the software and power supply connections. Okay, next question is, this is scroll down many long page down. Booting. Hope you have completed 4 questions, and now I am going to 164 question completed. 165. Okay, please see this video very patient and very chill point, because your attentions, your concentration will importance in the learning. Okay, here next question is 165. A chat is, what is chat? We always chat, but what is the correct definition of a chat? There is many options given here. You may right answer will be real time typed conversation or transmission of files. There is many options are given. In this, the correct answer is the real-time typed conversation. Okay, the answer will be the real-time conversation via keyboard between the two or more users or local area network or over the network, verbal, non-verbal, and computer that can likely send a text message by force. Either the character is transmitted after each key is pressed, or text is sent when a user process enter. When pressing the alt text submitted, the term that becomes so perceived in the computing world. The two audio communication is called voice chat and the video chat. In the computing format, there are two types of chat: audio chat, voice chat, and video chat. Hope you understand what is the chat process. Chat is the real time conversations. Okay, next is the 166. Question number 166. 166. 165 completed about the chatting. 166. Okay, now the question is 16 is the, what is the, which of the following is the communication protocol that set a standard using the every computer access website? That is the HTTP. What is HTTP? Very important terminology and the very important short term which asked in many exams. Hypertext transfer protocol is a set of rule transferring file such as text, graphic, sound, videos, and other multiple file World Wide Web. HTTP is a communication protocol that sets the standard used by every computer and access web-based information. Okay. Next is the, as soon as the web user open the web browser, the user indirectly make use HTTP. The browser make indirectly make up of HTTP. The HTTP is the application protocol that run on the top of the TCP or IP suite of protocol, the foundation protocol of the internet. So you always to know about the what is HTTP. At least you should know the full form of what is HTTP. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Okay, next question 166 completed. 167. 167. 167. Which of the following is not a term in the informative technology? You have given four options. Which of following is not a term of the information technology? Cyberspace, upload, light storage, or modem. Which of following is not a information technology? Suppose if you have completed your information technology course or study about this, then you will eliminate which option should not be done. Modem is a very important to loading uploading internet connectivity. Upload is a terminology which the file is uploaded in cloud versions. Cyberspace is also the cyber security space terminology. That means all three terminology are important to information technology. Here ask which is not term of the information, that will be answer of the light storage. That will be here called the light storage. But here the explanation is available. What is a modem? Modem is a modulation and demodulation device. Is a hardware device that convert the data from a digital format, intend communication directly between devices and specialized wiring into the one suitable transmission such as telephonic line or radio. Uploading refer to the transmitting data one computer to, what is uploading? Uploading is a transmitting a data one computer to another computer that of the network. Moving within a file of computer opposed to the one network. It's called file and copy. Moving होता है copy. Okay. Next is the uploading directly construct and downloading where the data receive. Uploading means data construct and download means data receive over a network. Cyberspace. Cyberspace is a concept describing the widespread and interconnected digital technology. That means the answer will be the light storage. The four options are given. The correct answer is the light storage is the not term of the information technology. 16167. Okay, is completed. 168. Next question is 168. The spam is related to which music, game, computer, or art. Here is a mistake of the compute. But you may always stand when you open your email ID, then you say something will come from spam. In this way, computer have also the something spam and in the internet communications. Okay, then you eliminate which related to spam related to computer. Okay, here is answer. A short term of unwanted or unsolicited digital communication sent in a bulk, usually in the form in an email. Usually from the email is termed as spam. Spamming is usually done by the purpose for the commercial advertisement for illegal purpose like phishing. Okay, so you understand about the spam. Spam is related to computer. Okay, next question is 169. In order to tell Excel that we are entering a formula in a cell, we must begin the operating such as when I use a Excel, something we want to add, multiply, describe, divide, something. Then what is usually we use in formula cell? That is the equal to. That is called the equal to. Okay, in the MS Excel, formula are equal to that perform the various calculation in your worksheet through Microsoft has the introduced a hard and full new functions over the years. The concept of Excel spread is the same in the all version of Excel 2016, Excel 2013, 2010, Excel 2007. If we have the equal equation sign this when formulating on the Excel sheet. Okay, next question is the 169. Sorry, 169 is completed. 170 questions number. What is required when the more than one person uses the central computer at the same time? At the same time, that is called a terminal. That is called a terminal. When what is required when more than one person usually uses a central computer? When anyone uses central computer more than one person at the same time, that is called what is required? That is required a terminal. That is required a terminal. Okay, with the help of terminal, more than one computer, more than one person uses a central computer at a same time. Okay, always use this PDF regular basis because we have created with the many time in the more concentration in the English version and also in Hindi versions. Okay, don't miss out this video to study your. Okay, next question is asked about the computer and the which is the of software contain the list of command and option. The full option given which have the menu bar, toolbar, title bar, and formula bar. The answer will be menu bar. Menu bar have the software consist of list of command and option. Menu bar of software consists list of command and options. Okay, next question is 172. 172. All the file deleted goes to where when I delete on a computer any file where it's go. Then it's go to the recycling bin. You may the recycle bins. Something is in the computing the trash also known as the recycle bin. In the Windows and other name the operating system is a temporary file that have been deleted in the file managed by user but not permanently. If anything I did not delete permanently, that go to the recycling bin. There are two type of deleting a file in a the two type of file in a computer is the something permanently delete and temporarily delete. Temporarily delete file goes to the recycling bin. Okay, next question is the 17173. 173. Okay, to move down in a page in a document, what I use to move down a page in a document which we use scroll, wriggle, fly, or jump. We also use scroll. That is the given on a mouse. Okay, also the scroll bar also given. Scroll bar is vertical and horizontal, commonly located on the far right or bottom of the window, that allow you to move a window viewing area up and down, left and right. Usually scroll up and scroll down. Almost every internet web page scroll bar are utilize the mouse, touchpad and keyboard. This can be through this process. So scroll bar is used to move down a page in a document. Okay, 170. For question number, GUI is stand for very common question that is also learned in the high school in the medium. When you firstly start a computer, know what is the standard of GUI. GUI is meaning of the graphic user interface. The answer will be graphic user interface. The answer, the graphic user interface or GUI is a form of user interface that allows the users to interact with the electronic devices through a graphic icon and audio indicators such as primary notification instead of text-based UI or typed command label or text navigation. Okay, next is 175. 175. Okay, the taskbar is located. The taskbar is where is the taskbar is located? Then the answer will be on the bottom of the screen. When I see the computer bar, the screen, the bottom of the screen that is located. Okay, the taskbar is a bar displayed at the bottom of the GUI desktop that is used to launch and monitor run applications. Okay, next 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 we apply check out the 175 is completed. Next is the 176. 176. In which of the group in which group do you work at the time of text formatting in the Word? Which group you use when you text formatting? What is your character, section and paragraph? Characters, sections and paragraph are used. Okay, is used to formatting of the text word. Characters, sections and paragraph. Okay, next is the 177. Excel book is a collection of. Excel book is a collection of. Excel. What is Excel? Excel is a both chart and the worksheet. The collection of the chart and worksheet. When you use Excel workbook, that collection of chart and Excel sheet. Okay. A workbook is a collection of one or more spreadsheet in a single file. In a single file. Okay. Next question is 178. 178 question. Which of the following software application would be most appropriate for performing numerical and statistical calculation? The answer will be the spreadsheet. A software application that used for the performing the numerical and the statistical calculation, that is used for the spreadsheet. Okay, that is also called MS Excel in official language. Okay, a spreadsheet is a computer program that can use a capture, display and manipulate the data arranged in the show column spread as one of the most popular tool available with the personal computer. A spreadsheet is generally designed to hold numerical data and sort tripping strangers. Okay, next question is the which application is commonly used to prepare a presentation and the slide. So the answer for a slideshow, we always use the PowerPoint. Always we use MS PowerPoint is the most powerful slideshow presenting the programs. It is a standard component of the company Microsoft Office suite software. Is bundled up together with the Word, Excel and other office productivity tool they use in the MS Office. Okay, next question is 179. 179 is completed. 180. The 180 is asking about the what menu is selected to print. What do you use mean menu to print? Something is the file, because each per situation of the options given here, we will select most appropriate to the file. Okay, as explanation, the print option is available under the file menu or the office button option at the left corner on the screen in a document. Alternative, you can go either alternative option, you can go the document to view print, right click using the mouse and drop down the print appear of the print options. But due to the situations of the discussions given what menu is selected to print, that will be a file. Okay, good. Hope you are, now you should have relaxed because we have completed about the 30 question. Rest amount is 20. So always chill and relax, then study because the relaxation is also important to make a next time concentrations. Okay, so practice it and have more patience to study about the online study. Okay, and now we are asking about question number 181. 181. Okay, an error in the program which cause wrong result is called a error in a program which causes a wrong result is called bug. That is a bug. Error in a program that causes a called a bug. In a, in computing, an error in source code that make a program to produce unexpected result of crash alternates that bug. A bug is a error. You always solve a bug error in a subject code that make a program to produce unexpected result. Okay. Next one is to answer the function of assembler. What is the function of assembler? You always should know the assembler, compiler. There are many terminology are available in the computer. Here we are asking as per options the functions of assembler. What is okay? The answer will be the convert the basic language into the machine language is called a assembler. Okay, here is answer explanation about this. Assembler is a program that converts the assembly language into the machine code. It takes the basic command and operation from assembly code and convert them into binary code that can be recognized by the specific type of process processor. Okay, processor processor specific type of processor. Okay, next 183. 183. MS Word is example of operating system, process device, application software, or input device. The will be main answer will be the application software. MS Office is application software. MS Office, sorry, MS MS Office is also MS Word and MS Office same thing. Okay, that is a application software. MS Word is example of application software that is developed by the company Microsoft. Company Microsoft. It allows to use, type, and save the document. It's helpful to for making a document. Okay. Next question is 184. Next question will be the 184. A computer cannot boot. A computer cannot boot if it do not have the. But when we cannot boot the computer, okay, when it does not have the operating system, because without operating system it cannot be the boot. Okay, the booting question one asked in the previous questions. Now we are here operating system or OS system, both OS or operating system is a software installed on computer and drive that enable the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer software. When computer was first introduced in the interacting using the command line interface, when required command to the almost every computer have the GUI graphic user interface operating system very easy to use and operate. Very easy to use and operate. Okay, next question is given here 185. If a new device is attached to a computer such a printer or scanner, its must what should be buffer, driver, pager, or server must be installed before device. When you are using a printer scanner, what should be installed before? That is called a driver. That is called a driver. Okay. As per the questions, the answer will be driver. Okay. Now explain about the driver. What is driver? When a new device is attached to computer, the computer do not automatically recognize it. In order to use the device, the computer needs the appropriate software installed. This software installed is called a driver. Okay, so if any the specific purpose will something do activity, then their driver should be available. Okay, like a printer, scanner, or any other things. Okay, the server is a computer which provide the resources to other computer communicate in. What means sir? A server is a computer which provides resources to other computer resources to other computer, the answer will be called a network. The answer will be called a network. A server is a computer or other uh, a server is a computer program or device that provides the server to another computer connections to a network. A client is a server that uses a remote service from a server. A computer network is a set of computers sharing resources located on or provided by the network nodes. Okay, hope you understand this. Next question is the 187. A terminal is also we have discussed about the terminal 187 in the previous point. Now here is also a terminal. The option is given a point which a data enter or leaves the computer. Terminal is a point at which the data enter or leave a computer. Okay, a terminal is a point which data may leave or enter a computer. A computer terminal is electronics or electromagnetic hardware device is used to enter data and display printing data from a computer or computing system. That is a terminal. Okay, next question is 188. 188 total 200 questions will be from 1602 161 to 240 questions given, only have remaining few 12 questions. Okay, something is a device which which is used for a data transmit through a telecommunication. That answer will be a modem. Also given a one answer in a given modem. This question is given. Okay, what is not a term of electronics information technology. Okay, it is given a modem enable a computer to transmit data over a telephone line. Modem is a enable computer to transmit data over telephonic line. Okay, next one is WW stand for very common question asked many exams. What is a WWW? Okay, World Wide Web. The answer will be D. No, World Wide Web is commonly used as the web in an information system, enable document and other web sources to access over a network. Over a network. This question we ask about the home page. What is a home page? The basic question asked very simple. So you should always chill. And what you given the homework to you, always learn and practice them. Then you will definitely get a better success. Believe me. Okay, next the home page of a website is the first page. Home page is called the first page or main page, both things are called the first page. Okay, the home page is a main page of website. It term refer to the starting web sounding in the website when application of the first open. First open we always called the home page. Okay, next, which following computer, which type of computer could be final found in a digital watch? Which type of computer could be founded in a digital watch? That is called embedded computer. Embedded, which type of computer could found in the digital watch? Here is given which type of computer is found in digital watch. There are many youngsters are using the digital watch, not analog watch. He is asked what is type of computer used in digital watch. We and normally use in this generation about the embedded computer that is installed in digital watch. Embedded computer is an integrated component of the most embedded system, which is a combination of hardware and software that is designed to perform the highly specific function. The hardware of embedded computer is specifically designed to withstand stress in the intent environment. Okay, so if you understand very important word, if anyone are using the digital watch, then you can see which type of computer is installed in this. Okay, that's very common question. And now next is digital computer use which type of system to encode the date and programs. The answer will be very basic and binary, where 0110 is called. Okay, so always you should know what is binary. Binary the number system, the basic of storage and the transmit and the manipulate of data in the computer system and data electronics devices. The binary number 0 and 10 is the most frequently used. So if always in mind when someone is using binary, then you always the number system 0 and 10. Okay, so you can refer many videos your teacher what is the binary that also you can study in your class. Okay, next is the which type of the computer display the work done. Which part of computer display? Which part we always use the computer system. There are many parts given, keyboard, mouse, printer. There are many things. Here is given which part of computer display the work done. This work done is done to the monitor. Monitors. Suppose you have completed any form, you have payment anything on computer, then the monitor display you have done this successfully. Okay, the computer monitor is an output device that display information in the pictorial or textual format. Okay, hope you understand this. Next thing is the which term is used to describe the using the mouse to move an item on the screen to a new location. If which term to describe using a mouse to move an item on a screen to new location as given, I move a item to a new location by which term? That is called drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay, what's it drag and drop? The activity of using a mouse to move an item on computer screen to a new location. Item to a new location is called drag and drop. Drag and drop. Drag and drop is a common action performed within a graphic user interface that involves moving cursor over an object, selecting it and moving to a new location. While a mouse, we can drag and drop object by clicking the mouse button to select an object, then moving the mouse and keeping the mouse button pushing down. It's called a dragging. Okay, so you understand what is drag and what is drop. Okay, the by the dragging and dropping, you can locate any item from one place to another place in the computer screen. Okay, now next question is 1 and 5. Which part of computer provide only temporarily file of storage? They also asked similar question in the previous. The RAM. RAM. What is temporary file? Is a RAM. In previous question, we have also studied what a recycling bin. What is storage type of temporary storage? Okay, if something we delete, that temporary file goes to the recycling bin. Is asked given the what is storage? Which part of computer provide the temporary file storage? Okay, only storage that is a RAM. RAM. This is okay. Read this is memory. Okay, RAM. Which economy is the random access memory? Not it. Random access memory, a computer memory where the information is temporarily stored while being accessed or work on. That is the RAM. Okay, RAM access memory. Next is we use when you save something, your data is being interact when the computer is turned off. Which is turned off. Here is given when you save, when you save, when you something save, your data remain remain intact. Even computer is off. When your computer is off, but your data is saved as something in process. That in which the secondary storage device. That is due to the secondary storage device. If your data is in secondary storage device, your data will remain intact even the computer is off or switch off. Secondary storage mobile is where a program are kept for a long period. If you want to save anything a long period, hard device is also called secondary storage mobile. That for a long period. Hard disk also secondary type. Okay. The pictorial presentation of programming or algorithm is called. Pictorial representation of program or algorithm is called. That is called through the flow chart. That is the flow chart. Pictorial representation always through the flow chart. Okay. Next question is here given. Which of the following algorithm? Okay, 198. Which of the following is a popular programming language for developing the multimedia web page? If there are many type of languages used in the developing the multimedia web page, but which is very popular? That is Java. That is called Java. There are various type of the language program, but here is online program. Java is a popular programming language for developing multimedia web page, website, and web-based application. Java is a general-purpose programming language that is Concord class-based and object-oriented, especially designed to have a fixed implementation as possible. Okay, next thing is the computer work on which which number system computer work on. Recently I talked about the binary system. As you are 0110 the binary system. A computer system uses bit means binary digit that denoted the distinct values with a binary number system to store data. Okay, to store a data. Next is the smallest unit. The last question is given The smallest unit in the digital system is bit. This is a binary digit. That is a bit. Okay. A smallest unit of a data in a computer is called a bit. Bit means binary digit. The full form. What is a bit? Binary digit. A bit have a single boundary value, either 0 or either 1. Most computers there is a 8 bit in a byte. The value of 8 bit usually store either above or below design level of electrical charge in the signal capacitor within a memory. Hope you have understand everything very easily. There is the last question was here given. We have completed discuss about the computer question 1612 to 200. Total 40 question are completed after 2021 years. Okay. For more, you have to always visit the solution of your. Hope you have downloaded your app and continue. Always regular check out which document have been uploaded on your applications and visit your course app and always visit to the content. Always visit your content. Then after going to the content, you always regular check which have been updated and something in the solution of the previous paper or any other things are available here. Okay, so continue check and also visit my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friend. They will very useful application use. You may also access my application through the website. It is the web.classplus.com and where you will use my organization code BBGND. It will be BBGND. Okay. So if you have iPhone or Apple, then you will also install app of Class Plus app and you will get it and then you will enter here BBGND. Then we will also access from that place. Hope you have understand everything properly. Please give feedback on my Play Store app. Okay, so this question have completed of the previous year question. Next question will be available of the topic 2021 question 2021 2022 questions answer of computer will be available in next day. Okay, so keep smile, happy learning, and good day for your today learning. Meet in next time. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.